Hello, I'm Anders from Soundstore XL. I'm here to show you our UV LED bars. So there's three different lengths. This one is 50 centimeters. There's also one that's 40 centimeters and 1 meter. So UV bars are especially great if you want to illuminate a room or a larger area where you need a larger spread of the light. And they're really easy to use. You just plug them in and then turn them on the small on-off button right on the cord. And of course they are especially great if you're using something that's UV active. It's also it also works with just white stuff, but if you use UV paint or UV balloons or other stuff, then you'll get a much greater effect. So yeah, if you need to illuminate a room, definitely consider using some UV LED bars.